Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go over all the paper pads that I finished this year. So at the beginning of 2025, I decided I was going to save all of the covers of every collection kit or paper pad that I went through so I could see everything that I finished this year. My plan was to get through as much as I could, and literally I did not. But here they all are. They just sitting here ready to go through. So let's see what I've gone through this year. This is recent. You'll see this at the end of the month, and I'm counting it. Even though this is for my January journal, even though it's for 2026, I completed it in 2025. So it went in my stack for 2025, and I'm going to start a new stack for 2026 starting January 1st. So this is what I made my January journal, and I used the entire thing. So there we go. This one here was for a, okay, so I'm still sick, so I'm still stopping to cough because talking a lot makes me cough. Anyway, this one was for a album that my mom asked me to make for the maintenance guy at work. They were having a little girl. So that's what this one was used for. And then this one here, this baby one, was used for the girl that my son works with that he's known since he's itty bitty. I've known her since she's like 3 years old, had a baby this year, and this is the paper pack I used for her baby album. So I made 2 baby albums this year, and that's what those were for. This one, I don't remember how I used the rest of it. Oh, I do. I used this in my September journal. I finished this off in my September journal. Park Lane was from Joanne, if you didn't know, but that's gone now. But yeah, I used this for my September journal. Oh, here, I used this. Went along with that. Okay. This, I don't know when I finished it, but I finished it this year. Same with this one. So these 2 6x6s, I believe I used this for a journal also, but I'm not sure. And this I just think I used pieces of. There was not much left when I finished it up. Sorry, I keep having to pause to cough. This I used in a few projects, but I finished it up with a binder journal. Amy, if you're watching, this is what I used for that journal, for that album, right? I believe that's what I use this for. A binder mini album is what I used the rest of this one for. And this was a $4.99 one from Michaels. Not this year. I think last year. Is there a date? Yeah, 2024. 2024. So this was from last year, and then I finished it up this year. Okay, this one. Oh, I think I have this project. Let me see. Okay, I used it on this album here. I had to dig for it. And this magnets to the front. So yes, I used it on this little mini album here. And then probably some other small projects that I don't remember what I used them for, but that's what I used this for. Okay. This I used up, I believe, for my recipe binder, and maybe even, I don't know. I don't know. And I'm missing one, you guys. I'm missing one. I don't remember what I used these 2 on. I know I used part of this for my recipe binder because I just had to switch my binder out for a bigger one. The original binder I used was like a 1-inch or a 1/2 inch, and it ended up being too small, so I switched it out for a bigger one. So I know this is what I use this on. I still have the stickers, you guys, for most of these, but I don't count that. I'm counting the paper used because I don't use a lot of stickers. And this one, I don't know what I used it for. And that's really going to bother me. I should have made a list of everything that I used everything for. Okay. And I just checked, and I am missing one because I was like, maybe I didn't make this in 2025, but I did. I am missing the cover for this paper pad. I checked. It's not in my stash, so I definitely used up this whole paper pad because I made a bunch of stuff with it. Don't mind my cough. I'm so very sorry. Usually I pause. It came out of nowhere. But I made a bunch of stuff with this. To use up scraps. Like, look, I have a bunch of the stuff, so I know I use this up. This was the little half fairy garden little journal that I did. And I did all the pages and videos, so you can find those in, I think, April of this year. I will try to go through and remember, but honestly, this is replacing a video that got corrupted this video, so I don't know when this is going up, so it might be going up very soon and I won't have time to go through and post everything. But I made this, and then I use a bunch of the paper and the chipboard and everything to make other items to use up this paper pad. But I don't have the thing. I don't know what happened. I wonder if it fell down back behind the bookshelf, and if it did, it's there forever. So those are the paper pads that I used up this year. I used, hold on, let's see. Get out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that was the 7th. Like I said, I just don't have the, so there I used 7 total collection kits. I used up 1 12 by 12 paper pad. I used up 2 6 by 6 paper pads, and I used up 2 6 by 8 paper pads. So all total, using everything up, it was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 total paper packs and paper pads I used up in 2020. Sorry, 5. So that's not that bad. So we'll see how many I can use up. I'm trying to get through my stash. I'm trying to use everything up. I'm tired of buying things and not using them. So I'm trying to use them. And every time I opened up a paper pad this year, I tried to use all of it. I still have this one sitting here that I wanted to use up, and I never got to it because it was a summer one, and I never got to it. So this would have been one I used up, but I actually never got to it. It's still sitting here. So that'll be a summer one I finish in 2026. Hopefully. Cross my fingers. Knock on wood. I don't know. What am I doing? I have no idea. But there you go. Now I can finally get rid of these. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.